Here's the fatal assumption about inspections. The biggest myth in the inspection business is just because you're a great home inspector, that doesn't mean you know how to run a successful home inspection business. And this is the fatal assumption that causes so many inspection companies to struggle. You became an inspector because you're technically skilled, you understand buildings and systems and defects, you like to fix things around the house. But running a successful business requires an entirely different skill set. Most inspectors spend all of their time being the technician, doing inspections. But your business needs you to be more than just an inspector. It needs you to be the entrepreneur and the manager too. So do this right now. Write down all of the non-inspection tasks you did last week, stuff that was not inspecting. And this will show you where you need to develop your business skills. If all you did last week was inspect, your business is going to fail.